Greetings, mandola players! Today I want to show you a really cool piece of gear I just purchased last week. And it's a new Marshall amplifier. You can't have too many Marshall amplifiers. This one is really cool. It's called JTM 145. And it's made especially for Anderton's Music in the UK, which they have the 50 years anniversary this year. So they made 200 of these, and this is actually number 111. It's quite cool. It's a 1 watt amplifier, and this is 111. Okay, so the only drawback I see so far is that they actually use UPS to deliver it, which always is a big mess. It must be the most customer unfriendly company in the world. Anyway, 250 kilometers in my old car and a couple of angry phone calls, I get hold of it. So now I want to show, because I know that you all mandola players are so eager to find out what it really sounds like. So I will just play along with one of my favorite records, and you will hear. I just want to show you also, I actually used one pedal together with this, and it's the JHS Morning Glory, which I always use for everything. It's quite subtle though, and you don't really hear that it's there, but you hear when it's not there. So I'm so used to it, so I use it for all my amplifiers. It really got a nice tone. Okay, so let's start the music, and I will play along, and you'll hear how good this Marshall amp really sounds with the mandola.